What if I told you? Humanity is going back to the moon? Not just to visit, but to stay. After more than 50 years since Apollo 11 moon landing, a new era of space exploration has begun. And this time, it's called Artemis. The Artemis program is humanity's bold plan to return to the moon and go even further. Led by NASA, Artemis isn't just about landing astronauts again. It's about building a long-term presence on the moon and using it as a stepping stone to Mars. But why now? The moon isn't just a dusty rock anymore. Scientists believe it holds frozen water at its poles, resources that could be turned into fuel, clues about the early solar system. And most importantly, it's the perfect training ground for future missions to Mars. Artemis isn't just one mission, it's a series of missions. The first step, an uncrewed test flight of the powerful Orion spacecraft, launched using the massive Space Launch System. It traveled around the moon and safely returned to Earth. This proved the system works. Artemis 2, upcoming. This mission will carry astronauts around the moon for the first time since the Apollo era. No landing yet, but it's a huge step forward. Artemis III, planned. This is the big one. Humans will land on the moon again, and for the first time ever, a woman and a person of color will walk on the lunar surface. Artemis isn't just about footprints, it's about permanence. NASA plans to build the Lunar Gateway, a space station orbiting the moon, surface habitats where astronauts can live, advanced rovers and technology. This could turn the moon into a working base for science and exploration. Here's the ultimate goal: Mars. Everything learned from Artemis will help humans travel to the Red Planet. Long missions, survival in harsh environments, new technology. The moon is just the beginning. But it's not easy. Artemis faces massive costs, technical risks, harsh space conditions, delays and competition from private companies. Still, humanity is pushing forward. Over 50 years ago, we took our first steps beyond Earth. Now we're going back, stronger, smarter, and more ambitious than ever. The Artemis program isn't just about the moon. It's about the future of humanity in space. And maybe one day, we won't just look at the stars. We'll live among them. And honestly, this isn't just history. This is the beginning of something way bigger.